Well, you mentioned like the 3 different options you're providing. What's the best pick for me? Like, how do I know what's the best option?
The best pick right now, the biggest trend is louver system. And louver system gonna give you that shade when you want the shade. It's gonna give you the sun when you want the sun. Or give you half of both worlds, right? Because you can catch it like this and it'll give you both worlds at the same time. We have an 8-inch blade, which is the strongest blade in the market. And this system is gonna answer on all your questions. And you can also blend it. Half louver system patio and half lattice, or slats, diagonal, horizontal, or vertical, which is really cool. You can do a vertical look, diagonal and horizontal, and get that architectural look. But louver system is the way to go, and you can get it at factory direct from us and install it with your subcontractor, or we'll recommend you someone. So kind of get you a really good rate on the best system possible. And then you combine this slat louver with one of our square posts and one of our beams. And the beauty too, you can do custom colors. Any color, right? Pink. If your project says pink louver system, then you'll get pink louver system from Aluglobus, and a very, very good rate because you're buying factory direct, right? So that's your best patio there. But you can do cantilever, you can do 4-post, you can do continuance, and you can run 50, 100 feet patios. Obviously, you're gonna need posts along the way. 24 spans, which is normal. You can attach to the house, you can go on the house. But your leading one answering the question is a louver system, and from there slats or an insulated panel as well.